On November 19, 2015, I conducted a First Amendment test at the Sonoma County Civil and Family Law Courthouse in Santa Rosa. After my recent experience at the federal building, in which I was immediately approached by a security guard before I was able to begin recording, I applied what I learned about being prepared and began recording as I approached the building.
Sir, there's no photographs in the courthouse. Sir?
Yeah.
No photographs in the courthouse at all.
Is that a law, sir?
That's what you're going to be told, and that's the way. That's the policy.
That's a policy?
That's the policy.
It's a policy.
Sir, please do not take any photographs. Okay?
Unless you get written permission from the presiding judge.
That's where you have to go.
That in writing.
Okay?
Okay, is this public land, sir?
It is not.
It is not.
It's owned by the county, isn't it?
No, it's not owned by the
Piece of
county.
property.
This is private property.
Owned by whom?
Owned by Empire College.
I'll take from the sidewalk then. Because I can take pictures of anything that can be viewed in the public. First Amendment right.
Or the front of the building.
Yes, I can, sir. First Amendment right.
Okay, well.
Across the street.
I can go I can go anywhere in the public, so I'll be happy to go off this property. I don't want to be trespassing on another's property, but I can take it from any public place. But I will be taking pictures of the courthouse from a public place.
Like I said, if you get written permission from the presiding judge, you're more than welcome.
That's not the way the law works, sir.
Well, it is on this one.
Do you have an order from the presiding judge for prohibiting photography?
It's over at the main courthouse.
I don't think so. I don't think so. Can you produce that order?
Go over there, go over and ask for it.
Well, you're saying that it exists, so you should be able to produce it. Well, I'm gonna record from the sidewalk. So have a nice day,
Go to
sir.
room 106 and talk to Brett O'Rourke, okay?
No, I don't need to talk to anybody. If you're saying that an order exists, you should
An order does exist.
Issued by whom?
By the presiding judge.
And you can't produce it.
Go on over there, ask them.
Even if there is an order, it doesn't apply to people in public. I'm not going to argue either.
We're going to confiscate your camera if you take a picture. And then you can go talk to
You have no authority to do that. You're private security.
All we have to do is call the bailiff down.
Call them. I don't care.
Okay?
Call them. I don't care.
All right. Stick around.
Yep. No problem. I'm doing fine. How are you today, sir?
I'm just checking in, man. Checking in. Some people are getting nervous.
Okay. Well, let's talk for a second. Let's be totally calm. Okay. We don't need to be confrontational. How are you today?
I'm good.
All right. All right.
I'm not confrontational.
Okay. Great. Great. I'm glad to hear that.
Okay.
So okay. You're from the Sheriff's Department?
I'm in uniform, and I am from the Sheriff's Department. Yeah, I think that's obvious. I'm just checking in.
Okay.
Any
great.
issues? Any problems? They say you're filming over here, and
Well, there is a bit of a concern I have.
what's the concern? Sir?
Okay. So, to my knowledge, if you're
I don't want to be interviewed here.
Well-
I'm just asking if there's a safety issue. I mean,
Well,
what's going on?
The issue is that, as far as I know, and I've done extensive research on this.
Okay.
If you're in a public place,
Okay.
anything you can see from the public can be photographed and recorded.
Okay.
They're saying that's not true. They're going to
Okay.
confiscate my camera and all this stuff.
Is it over here in the front?
Well, see, I went over in the front,
Right.
and see, this is a county courthouse, so I thought this was county property.
Right.
They said, no, it's private property. I'm like, okay, fine.
It really is.
No, I believe you. I
Okay.
believe you. You know, now, because I looked it up, and I realized that there's private businesses over on that side.
Okay.
But evidently, this is leased by the county.
It is.
And that's okay. I understand that. So I immediately left the
Affirm.
property.
Code 4 with 1.
Okay. I don't want to be, trespassing property or
Okay.
anything like
No,
that.
I appreciate it.
Okay, good. So I'm fine as far as that goes.
Okay.
As far as being on public land, like I am right here on the sidewalk here,
Right.
I can take pictures of anything I want.
As far as I know, if you're on a public sidewalk, the eyes cannot trespass unless you're
Right.
being intrusive. So you're right. But the issue here, security called me. That's why I'm out here chatting with you.
Okay.
Okay. So the issue here was that you're over here trying to video the courthouse, the entrance, and then they're going inside. You can't do that. Okay.
You can't walk in.
You mean from over on the property?
Yeah, you can't do that. But from right here, you can record all you want.
That's all I wanted to clarify.
Yeah, but the confrontation with the security guards, that's why they call me.
Okay.
So you're 100% correct as far as, hey, unless there's something I don't know.
Okay.
But if you got good standing and you're in a public place, you can record anything. But
Yeah, that's exactly what my understanding is. And my issue is when security guards make up things that don't exist.
Okay.
Because I clearly said about 3 times that I was going to record from the sidewalk.
Okay.
And they said, no, you can't do that. They're going to confiscate your camera. We're going to call the bailiff and all this stuff. And now, so here's my question.
Yes.
Why is security enforcing a policy that doesn't exist?
I'm not going to go there.
Okay. Okay, I understand.
I'm not going to what if it to death. Bottom line is, though, you can't. There are ordinances that indicate that you can't.
Okay.
And I appreciate you going with the flow and not making a war over here.
I don't know. If that's private property, that's a totally different story.
Yeah, I
respect private property.
Okay, great. Hey, all I care about is everything's good, man. I'm here to make sure laws aren't being broken, and you're being a total gentleman. So thank you.
All right, thank you,
sir.
You've been a total gentleman as well,
All
and
right.
you've been very professional. So I appreciate it.
Very good.
Can I have your badge number before I go?
Badge number is 1577.
1577. Thank you. Have a nice day, sir.
Deputy Vivian.
All right, Deputy. Take care.